In this video, I'm going to show you 4 laser engraved products that sell to help you increase your sales within your own Etsy or Shopify or wherever you sell your products. And in this video, I'll show you that you can use a basic $100 laser engraver or something more advanced like a $3,000 laser engraver while getting similar results. Starting off is this awesome barbecue tool set that costs just $35 from Amazon. I'll have it linked below, but this is perfect because it actually comes with wooden handles for all the tools versus some of the plastic or metal designed grill tools. And what you're going to see me use here is actually a really affordable blue light laser from AtomStack. This is their P7 machine, and I've linked their products below if you're looking for a smaller laser machine to help you get started with. And this is the first time I've used this software Laser Burn, but it's honestly pretty great. It took some time to learn how to use it, but eventually I was able to get it going with the logo I wanted to engrave on the grill tools. A large set like this can easily sell for around $55 to $65, and if you decide to build a custom box for tools, you can even get up to $90 in the price range for it. The next item is a great choice with a personal touch, and that's simply grabbing a piece of wood. It can be a scrap wood that you have laying around, and using a laser engraver to engrave a personal photo on the wood. This takes about 1 to 2 hours depending on the size and comes out looking absolutely phenomenal. And with this, you can sell it for $30 to $50 for a pretty sweet return on just using some scrap wood. Okay, next is kind of an obvious one, and that's cutting boards. This is an easy bamboo board I purchased that costs about $3.50 when you buy it in bulk, and then I found this great design of types of knife cuts and simply engraved it onto the board. And this you can easily sell for around $30. And for these last few products, you probably noticed, but this is the more advanced laser option that I have, which is the Glowforge. And it's a lot more repeatable and a heck of a lot faster, and I'll have that linked below also. Okay, the next one is for those of you that want to create your own designs. I designed this docking station in Fusion 360 and then exported the SVGs of each piece, cut it out, and then voila. I've got this easy docking station that I can now sell for around $35 each, and it ships flat. And if you've been enjoying this so far, make sure you hit the subscribe button below, and just for doing that, I'll go ahead and throw in one extra bonus product that's great for sales. This was inspired by our past Father's Day. So I typed out some fun text that I engraved on these 2 cheap recycled golf balls that I had, and you can sell each of these for around $5 to $7 each, with the goal of selling them as a set for higher profit. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out all the references linked below. Peace.